Hi everyone, Melissa here from Creative Memories Home Office. Today we are going to create a layout using the Slice of Summer collection. To create this layout, you are going to need a 12-inch straight trimmer, the Slice of Summer paper pack, the Slice of Summer stickers, the Slice of Summer mats, the circle patterns for the custom cutting system, the scallop burst border punch, a scissors, foam squares, a tape runner, and repositionable adhesive. We are going to use the light blue patterned paper as the base for this layout. To begin with, we are going to cut a piece from the floral patterned paper to measure 1 inch by 12 inches. Next, we are going to cut the colorful piece of patterned paper to measure 1 inch by 12 inches. Then we are going to turn this piece of paper over and cut a piece to measure 1.5 inches by 12 inches. Next, you are going to adhere these pieces to the top and bottom of your layout. Using the orange patterned paper, we are going to punch a border along the edge using the scallop burst border punch. Next, we are going to trim this piece to measure 1 inch wide using the 12-inch trimmer. We are going to adhere this strip to the top portion of the layout using repositionable adhesive. We are going to use the trimmer to cut the mat in half so that it measures 3¼ by 4.5 inches. Next, we are going to use the trimmer to cut 5 pieces of colored patterned paper to measure 3¼ by 4.5 inches. Using the scallop burst border punch, we are going to punch 2 borders along the hot pink patterned paper. We are going to cut these borders so they measure 1 inch wide. We are going to repeat that step using the yellow patterned paper. Using the medium-sized circle from the custom cutting system circle patterns, we are going to cut a circle with the green blade on the inside of the circle. Next, we are going to cut 2 circles from the orange patterned paper using the medium-sized circle on the inside with the red blade for one and on the inside with the blue blade for the other. Now we are going to cut a circle from the pink patterned paper using the inside of the medium circle with the green blade. Using your scissors, you are going to snip in between each scallop on the borders. Cover the back of the yellow circle with adhesive. Then you are going to take your scissors and snip off the half circle at the end of the border. We are going to adhere the border along the back side of the yellow circle by working and bending the border so that the scallops show around the entire circle. Now we are going to add more adhesive in between each scallop burst. Then we are going to take the remaining piece of border and work the scallops in between the previous. We are going to use the remaining pink border, cutting off one scallop to place behind the circle. Next, we are going to adhere the smaller orange circle to the center of the yellow circle. Using the sticker that says "Cool Off," you are going to adhere this to the center of the orange circle with foam squares. Adhere the remaining pink circle to the top of the large orange circle. Then you are going to take the sun-kissed circle sticker and adhere to the top of the pink circle with foam squares. Next, we are going to adhere the yellow scallop burst borders along the back side of the circle as we did in the previous pink borders. Next, you are going to adhere the yellow flower to the layout using your tape runner, and you are going to adhere the pink flower to the layout using foam squares. We are going to adhere the wave border sticker to both sides of the pink flower. We are going to use the scissors to cut off any excess. Next, we are going to arrange and adhere the pieces of paper that are 3 1/4 by 4 1/2 inches. We are going to adhere the banner and the flower stickers to the layout using foam squares. Next, we are going to add the round fun sticker to the top of the flowers using foam squares. We are going to add a title to the layout using black ABC and 1, 2, 3 stickers. Photos and journal to complete this layout. We would love to see your layout on social media using #CreativeMemories.